Hello friends and welcome back. Now we are going to discuss another Amazon service, that is Amazon Athena. So this Amazon Athena is an interactive query service that it makes easy to analyze your data which is stored in Amazon S3. So you can analyze this data using the standard SQL, and Athena is a serverless. So serverless means there is no need of any infrastructure to manage and to run all this analyzing part. So Athena is serverless, there is no need of any infrastructure, and you have to pay only for the queries that you run. Okay, Athena is very easy to use. Simply point to your data in your Amazon S3, define all the schemas, and start querying using standard SQL. This is a whole process that how you can use this Athena. It is very easy, and most results are delivered within a seconds. It is very fast. Within Athena, there is no need for any complex ETL jobs to prepare your data for analysis, like in AWS Glue, where you have to create ETL jobs. ETL means extract, transform, load, so that you can stores so that you can firstly extract the data means from any data stores and then transform into that glue catalog, and like the metadata of that data stores, like the definition of tables, schemas, views, like things, and then you're going to load the data to for analysis purpose. So this whole process is not here in Amazon Athena. This whole process is skipped. You have to just run your SQL query to get all the analytics result. It is very easy and fast and no complex in this AWS Athena. Just you must have SQL skills so that you can analyze quickly your large scale data sets. So this is whole thing about Amazon Athena. Now I'm going to discuss some of the benefits. Firstly, it is serverless, no ETL. Discussed you before. Like Athena is serverless, which means there's no need for infrastructure. You can quickly query your data without having to set up and manage any service or any data warehouses. Just point your data in which is stored in S3, then define the schema and start querying using inbuilt query editor. This Amazon Athena allows you to tap into all your data in S3 without the need to set up any complex ETL jobs. Then it is open, powerful, and standard because it is built on top of Presto and where you can run standard SQL. So this Presto supports ANSI SQL, and it can be worked with variety of standard data formats, like it can include CSV format, JSON format, ORC, Avro, Parquet, like thin datasets. It is very ideal because it is quick. You can query ad hoc query also, but it can also handle complex analysis also, which includes like large joinings of two tables and then arrays, window functions. These are some complex analysis which you can be easily done using this Amazon analysis. Then it is highly available. You can execute queries using compute resources across multiple facilities and with multiple devices in each facility. So in this Amazon Athena, it will use only S3 for storing all this data, and it is fast, not very fast. It is really fast because with Amazon Athena, you don't have to worry about having enough compute resources to get fast and interactive query performance. It will execute queries in parallel so that you can get result as soon as possible. You have to pay for the query that is scanned. With Amazon Athena is that you have to pay of the query that you run in this. What happened, like when you run the query, it will going to scan the data which is stored in S3 bucket. Okay, so what will going to happen if the data is larger, means firstly I want to tell the rate for scanning the data. uh, for each 1 terabyte which is scanned by your query, they will charge $5. Okay, so whenever you run the query, it will going to scan the data, and when they're going to scan the data, for this you have to pay for them. You can reduce these charges of scanning data, just limit that scanning data thing. Okay, you have to just use three functions, like you can do compressing, partitioning, and you can convert your data into columnar format. In this, what will going to happen, the scanning data, the data which is going to scan will be going to be limited, and for limited data it will cost limited charges. So this whole way you can save your money using these three methods. In further video, I'm going to discuss what are the uses of these three methods. Okay.